Welcome to Rainbow Rhymes Planet!
Plus! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are you ready?
Let's play! Giggle, giggle, splash! Baby shark covers his eyes, rides with hands. Baby shark covers his eyes, covers his eyes. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3.
Hold up fingers!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ready or not, here I come. Splash! Where is Mommy? Let us look. Put hand up forehead to peer around. Where is Mommy? Let us look. Where is Mommy? Let us look behind the seed plants. Mommy shark, peekaboo, throw hands up in the air. Daddy shark, peekaboo. Mommy shark, peekaboo, we found you. Yay!
Where is Daddy? Let us look. Where is Daddy? Let us look. Where is Daddy? Let us look.
Behind the big rock. Daddy shark, peekaboo. Daddy shark, peekaboo. Daddy shark, peekaboo, we found you. Yay! Where are they? Let us look. Where are they? Let us look. Where are they? Let us look inside the sunken ship. Grandma, Grandpa, peekaboo. Grandma, Grandpa, peekaboo. Grandma, Grandpa, peekaboo, we found you. Yay! We love playing hide and seek. Spin around and dance. We love playing hide and seek. We love playing hide and seek.